श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। मूलाम्बोरुहमध्यको न विलसद् बन्धुकरागोज्ज्वलाम् ज्वालाजालजितेन्दुकान्तिलहरीम् आनन्दसन्धायिनीम् हेलालालितनीलकुन्तलहराम् नीलोत्पलाम्बां शुकाम् कोल्लूरादिनिवासिनीं भगवतीं ध्यायामि मूकाम्बिकाम्। Welcome to Navaratri series. This video is titled Janani Mamava as a tribute to Mother Goddess, which is very apt for the Navaratri festival. In this video presentation titled Janani Mamava, we shall travel through various Devi shrines across South India and enjoy Navaratri being celebrated in each of them. Sharada Sharadam Bhoja Vadana Vadanam Budhe Sarvada Sarvada Smakam Sannidhis Sannidhim Kriyat. Yes, we are going to start from Karnataka. Karnataka houses Sringeri Sharada Peetham, Dakshinamnaya Sringeri Sharada Peetham. Sharada Peetham, the name itself has the name of the goddess, Sri Sharadamba, the ever compassionate mother. Navaratri is a very big festival in Sringeri. The celebrations in Navaratri go back to as old as the 14th century, where Sri Vidyaranya has given the rules and regulations of the Navaratri celebrations. After the Maha Abhisheka on Mahalaya Ammavasya for goddess Sharadamba, she is adorned with the Jagat Prasutika Alankara, the mother for the entire world. A Brahmakita Jarani tells Lalita Sahasranama, denoting that she is adorned as Jagat Prasutika, followed by different alankaras on each day of the Navaratri festival. Another very important feature of the Navaratri celebrations in Sringeri is the Navaratri Darbar, which happens every night during the Navaratri. In this Darbar, the Jagat Gurus or the Peethadipatis of the Sringeri Sharada Peetham wears beautiful darbar dresses, a beautiful gold crown, and sit facing Goddess Sharadamba. As a humble offering to Goddess Sharadamba, we get to listen to Sharade Karunanidhe in Raga Hamir Kalyani, a composition of Sri 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 Chandrasekharendra Bharati Mahaswamihal by Aditya Madhavan.
शारदे करुणानिधे सकलानवाम्ब सदा जनान् शारदे करुणानिधे सकलानवाम्ब सदा जनान् शारदे करुणानिधे सकलानवाम्ब सदा जनान् चारणादिमगीतवैभव पूरिताखिल दीक्तते शारदे करुणानिधे सकलानवाम्ब सदा जनान् चारणादिमगीतवैभव पूरिताखिल दीक्तते शारदे करुणानिधे भर्मभूषण भूषिते वररत्नमौळि विराजिते धर्मभूषण भूषिते वररत्नमौळि विराजिते शर्मदायिनि कर्ममोचनि निर्मलं कुरु मानसं शर्मदायिनि कर्ममोचनि निर्मलं कुरु मानसं शारदे करुणानिधे सकलानवाम्ब सदा जनान् चारणादिमगीतवैभव पूरिताखिल दीक्तते शारदे करुणानिधे हस्तसंधृत पुस्तकाक्षपटी सुधाघट मुद्रिके हस्तसंधृत पुस्तकाक्षपटी सुधाघट मुद्रिके कस्तवास्तिः वर्णने चतुरो नराखचरोत्तवा कस्तवास्तिः वर्णने चतुरो नराखचरोत्तवा शारदे करुणानिधे सकलानवाम्ब सदा जनान् चारणादिमगीतवैभव पूरिताखिल दीक्तते शारदे करुणानिधे शारदे करुणानिधे.
After listening to the beautiful Hamir Kalyani, we now move on to yet another very important center for Navaratri worship. Yes, it is Mysore. Who cannot talk about Mysore when Navaratri approaches? It is the goddess Chamundeshwari who is revered, worshipped and celebrated at the time of Navaratri. Mysore bears a festive look with the mood of celebration in the hearts of everyone in the city. We have Harikesanallur Muttaya Bhagavatar's Vanadurge Vanaspate from his Chamundeshwari Ashtotara Shatanamavali Kritis. One of them is Vanadurge Vanaspate in Ragam Vanaspati. The speciality of these Kritis, the Chamundeshwari Ashtotara Shatanamavali Kritis, there are 108 Kritis composed by Harikesanallur Muttaya Bhagavatar. The 108 Kritis form the 108 Namavali, the Ashtotara Shatanamavali, that are used in the daily puja of goddess Chamundeshwari in Mysore. So this Kriti is one of them, which Aditya Madhavan is going to render for us. Before we listen to his rendition, we shall know a little more about these Kritis. It is very apt to know and dwell upon goddess Chamundeshwari, the goddess as goddess Durga, as Mahisha Mardini, the one who killed Mahisha as Mahishasura Mardini at the time of this auspicious 9 days of Navaratri, of Sharan Navaratri. These Chamundeshwari Ashtotara Shatanamavali Kritis were written by Harikesanallur Muttaya Bhagavatar, as I already told, when he came to Mysore and had the darshan of the goddess. These Kritis were further passed on by him to his disciples and his Sishya Parampara. We now get these lyrics, get the lyrics and the tune of these compositions only through his Sishya Parampara. These 108 Kritis and the Namavali of the Kritis are very unique, that they describe the goddess with a combination of the Lalita Sahasranama and Durga Ashtotaram. These Namavalis are very unique in nature and they are one of a kind.
वनदुर्गे वनस्पति वनदुर्गे वनस्पति वनदुर्गे वनस्पति वनदुर्गे वनस्पति वनदुर्गे वनस्पति महाराज्ञी मातंगी वनदुर्गे वनस्पति महाराज्ञी मातंगी वनदुर्गे वनस्पति महाराज्ञी मातंगी वनदुर्गे वनस्पति महाराज्ञी मातंगी वनदुर्गे वनस्पति दीनपशिकिन्दुलोचने 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 दीनजनावने दीनपशिकिन्दुलोचने दीनजनावने दीनपशिकिन्दुलोचने दीनजनावने पदनि दपमगरि सरिग पदनि दपमगरि सरिग म पदनि दपमगरि सरिग म गम पदनि दपमगरि सरिग म प पदनि दपमगरि सरिग म पदनि दपमगरि सरिग म गम पदनि दपमगरि सरिग म प तनि सरिग म गरि सनि द पदनि सरिग रि सनि द प म पदनि सरि सनि द प म वनदुर्गे वनस्पति महाराज्ञी मातंगी वनदुर्गे वनस्पति परमार्थ सुख सारे परमार्थ सुख सारे पाप विदारिणी धीरे परमार्थ सुख सारे पाप विदारिणी धीरे हरिकेश पुर सदने 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 हरिसमुद सलहु हरिकेश पुर सदने हरिसमुद सलहु पदनि दपमग रि सरिग म पदनि दपमग रि सरिग म गम पदनि दपमग रि सरिग म प दनि सरिग म गरि सनि द पदनि सरिग रि सनि द प म पदनि सरि सनि द प म वनदुर्गे वनस्पति महाराज्ञी मातंगी वनदुर्गे वनस्पति
now travel crossing borders, and we now are at the banks of Krishna river having the darshan of Mallikarjuna Swami and Brahmarambika Devi. The goddess here as Brahmarambika Devi is in a very special form as Brahmari Shakti. The legend goes that the Sthala Puranam tells that there was an Asura called Arunasura. He prayed to Brahma that he should not be killed by any two-legged or four-legged living being, and Brahma granted him the boon. So the goddess took the form of a six-legged insect called Brahmari or a bee. She did not take a form of one bee or two bees, but thousands of bees. She created thousands of bees to attack the demon Arunasura, and he was killed by the grace of the goddess. Since she took the form of the Brahmaram, which is a bee, she is called Brahmarambika. And Brahmarambika shrine also happens to be one of the very sacred Shakti Peethams in our country. As a humble offering to Brahmarambika Devi, we now present a slice of Brahmarambika Ashtakam. Over to Aditya Madhavan to render the Brahmarambika Ashtakam.
राजन्मत्तमरालमन्दगमना राजन्मत्तमरालमन्दगमना राजीव पत्रेक्षणा राजन्मत्तमराल मन्तगमना राजीव 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 पत्रेक्षणा राजीव पत्रेक्षणा राजीव प्रभवादिदेव राजीव राजीव प्रभवादिदेव मकुटैः राजीव प्रभवादि देव मकुटैः राजत्पदाम्भोरुहा राजत्पदाम्भोरुहा राजीवायतमन्दमण्डितकुचां राजीवायतमन्दमण्डितकुचां राजाधिराजेश्वरी राजीवायतमन्दमण्डितकुचां राजाधिराजेश्वरी राजाधिराजेश्वरी श्रीशैलस्थलवासिनी श्रीशैलस्थलवासिनी भगवतीं श्रीमातरं भावये श्री शैलस्थलवासिनीं भगवतीं श्रीमातरं भावये श्रीशैल स्थलवासिनी भगवती श्रीमातरं भावये श्रीमातरं भावये श्रीमातरं भावये
While we have been to 3 special shrines till now, what about songs? What about special repertoire that have been specially created for the Navaratri festival? Yes, we now are in Kerala at the Thiruvananthapuram Palace at the Navaratri Mantapam to listen to Janani Mamava in Bhairavi Ragam, a composition of Maharaja Swati Tirunal from his Navaratri compositions, from his Navaratri Kritis, as a prayer to goddess Saraswati or Bharati. Janani Mamava, Navaratri Kriti by Maharaja Swati Tirunal. The Navaratri celebrations at Thiruvananthapuram has a very beautiful yet an interesting anecdote behind it. The very well-known poet Kamban, who wrote the Kamba Ramayanam, gave the Saraswati idol that he worshipped to a Chera king who was also his disciple. The king received the copper idol, the Saraswati idol that he worshipped. But when the poet gave his idol to the king, he put one condition. He said, I will give the idol to you on one condition. The condition is the idol, the goddess idol, should be protected properly and she should be worshipped with lots of grandeur during the Navaratri festival. And the king agreed. At that time, the capital of the Travancore dynasty was in Padmanabhapuram in Kanyakumari. In Kanyakumari, he arranged for lots of celebrations with music, dance and lots of puja and was being performed very well. Until 177 years ago, it was being performed in Padmanabhapuram in Kanyakumari. When Maharaja Swati Tirunal came to power in Travancore, in Thiruvananthapuram, he shifted the capital from Padmanabhapuram to Thiruvananthapuram. And when the capital got shifted, the idol of the goddess was brought with lots of protection and respect, and a separate shrine was built for her. She is kept within the temple shrine throughout the year, and only during Navaratri she comes out of the shrine to the Navaratri Mantapam. The Mantapam itself is called Navaratri Mantapam. She comes to the Navaratri Mantapam for these 9 days. And to give respect to her, as a respect to her, Maharaja Swati Tirunal wrote 9 kritis called the Navaratri Kritis. Each day of Navaratri, a song is dedicated to her. A song is sung in front of her in the Mantapam, remembering Kamban and remembering the Chera king who received it as a prasadam from the Kamban, from the great poet Kamban. So we have selected the kriti Janani Mamava Bharati. This kriti Janani Mamava is a prayer to goddess Saraswati. So the idol that the Chera king received from Kamba poet is also that of goddess Saraswati. So this kriti is Janani Mamava in praise of goddess Saraswati. Now let us listen to it.
जननी माम अवमेये जननी माम अवमेये भारती जय जननी मामवमेये भारती जय जननी मामवमेये भारती जय जननी मामवमेये भारती जय जननी मामवमेये भारती जय सरसिजासन जाये जननी मामवमेये भारती जय सरसिजासन जाये अनुपमीत कमला वासे देवी अनुपमीत कमला वासे देवी अनुपमीत कमला वासे देवी अनुपमीत कमला वासे चारु हसित कृत कुंत नीरासे देवी अनुपमीत कमला वासे चारु हसित कृत कुंत नीरासे देवी मुनिवरेण्डित विमल चरिते मोहनीय गुणौघ भरिते मुनिवरेण्डित विमल चरिते मोहनीय गुणौघ भरिते मुनिवरेण्डित विमल चरिते मोहनीय गुणौघ भरिते जननी मामवमेये भारती जय सरसिजासन जाये तरुणवारित निभवेणी देव तरुकी सलयोपमा पाणी तरुण वारित निभवेणी देव तरुकी सलयोपमा पाणी कलित वरदाभीति मुद्रे कल्याणी पूर्ण ಶರದಿಂದು ಸಮಕಾಂತೆ ವಾಣಿ ವರದಾಭೀತಿ ಮುದ್ರೆ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಿ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಶರದಿಂದು ಸಮಕಾಂತೆ ವಾಣಿ ಸುರುಚಿರ ನಯನ ಜೀತೈ ಇನಿ ದೇವಿ ಸುರುಚಿರ ನಯನ ಜೀತೈ ಇನಿ ದೇವಿ ಸುರುಚಿರ ನಯನ ಜೀತೈ ಇನಿ ದೇವಿ ಸುರುಚಿರ ನಯನ ಜೀತೈ ಇನಿ ಪರಮ ಕರುಣಾರಸ ಶಿಶಿರ ವೇಣಿ ದೇವಿ ಸುರುಚಿರ ನಯನ ಜೀತೈ ಪರಮ ಕರುಣಾರಸ ಶಿಶಿರ ವೇಣಿ ದೇವಿ ಶರಣಗತ ಜನ ಭರಣ ನಿಪುಣೆ ಪರಮಾಮೃತ ಸುಮಧುರ ಭಾಷಿಣಿ ಶರಣಗತ ಜನ ಭರಣ ನಿಪುಣೆ ಪರಮಾಮೃತ ಸುಮಧುರ ಭಾಷಿಣಿ ಜನನಿ ಮಾಮವ ಮೇಯೇ भारती जय सरसी जसन जाए
Yes, we have now traveled. After listening to the Janani Mamava in Bhairavi, we have now traveled to Tamil Nadu. We now go to Thiruvarur, the land of the musical. Conclude this presentation with a visit to a very old temple just beside Thiruvarur. This town is called Mavur, and we get to know about this temple and the beauty of this place only through Carnatic music and a special beautiful repertoire that Harikesh Nallur Muttaya Bhagavatar has given us. Yes, there is a very beautiful yet an old Kali temple in Mavur. Sri R.S. Sharma or Ramaswamy Srinivasa Sharma takes all credit for the beautiful place that Mavur is. He was a person who lived in the pre-independence days. He was born somewhere around 1890 and he belonged to the Thiruvaiyara region. Being a person who was well versed in English and interested in journalism, he moved to Calcutta. And he pursued journalism with great interest. And he was recognized by the British. And he was awarded and rewarded very well by them. Even though he lived a very happy and rewarding life in Calcutta, his heart still belonged to the Tanjavur Thiruvaiyara belt. So in 1930s, he came back to the same belt, the Thiruvaiyara belt, but decided to settle down in Mavur. There he built a small temple for goddess Kali by acquiring some land, by buying some land. and it was a beautiful place. Now also it is a very serene, calm and beautiful place with lots of lush greenery, clear skies, and it's a must visit place. It is on the Thiruvarur Tiruthurai highway, so it is very near to Thiruvarur. If you happen to visit Thiruvarur, you can definitely visit there. It is called Maur. So Ma refers to goddess, as in Hindi or Bengali, goddess is addressed as Ma. Ur means a place or a village. So Maur refers to as the goddess's village. So that is why he chose that place probably. So he built a small temple just like the Dakshineshwar Kali temple and installed a Vigraha just like the goddesses in Dakshineshwar in Bengal. Harikesanallur Muttaya Bhagavatar was a great friend of R.S. Sharma, and he has given us a repertoire of many kritis and different kinds of compositions on the goddess Kali residing in Maur, out of which we get to listen to Maur Varam Peruga in Ragam Sindhu Bhairavi, with which we conclude this video presentation as a very humble offering at the lotus-like feet of Jagat Janani, the universal mother who nourishes and protects us. Over to Aditya Madhavan, who will be singing this beautiful composition for all of us to listen and enjoy.
மாவூர்வளம் பெருக வந்த காளியம்மையே, மாவூர் வளம் பெருக வந்த காளியம்மையே, மாவூர் வளம் பெருக வந்த காளியம்மையே, வணங்கி உம்மை தூதிகள் பாட வாழ்த்துவாய் நீயம்மையே, மாவூர் வளம் பெருக வந்த காளியம்மையே, வணங்கி உம்மை தூதிகள் பாட வாழ்த்துவாய் நீயம்மையே, மாவூர் வளம் பெருக வந்த காளியம்மையே. முக்கண்ணன் பத்தினியே, முக்கண்ணன் பத்தினியே, மூலமான மூர்த்தியே, முக்கண்ணன் பத்தினியே, மூலமான மூர்த்தியே, முக்கண்ணன் பத்தினியே, மூலமான மூர்த்தியே, முக்கனியே ஏற்கருள்வாய், முக்கனியே ஏற்கருள்வாய், முத்துலங்கு கீர்த்தியே, முக்கனியே ஏற்கருள்வாய், முத்துலங்கு கீர்த்தியே, மாவூர் வளம் பெருக வந்த காளியம்மையே, அந்தரி நிரந்தரி சுதந்தரி கௌமாரியே, அந்தரி சுதந்தரி நிரந்தரி கௌமாரியே, அந்தகர்க்கு அந்தகனை அணைந்த மாமாரியே, அந்தரி நிரந்தரி சுதந்தரி கௌமாரியே, அந்தகர்க்கு அந்தகனை அணைந்த மாமாரியே, அந்திவண்ணன் சோதரி, அந்திவண்ணன் சோதரியே, ஹரிகேசன் பாரியே அந்திவண்ணன் சோதரியே ஹரிகேசன் பாரியே அந்திவண்ணன் சோதரியே ஹரிகேசன் பாரியே அத்திமுக ஊத்தமனின் அதிமுக ஊத்தமனில் அன்னை அலங்காரி அதிமுக ஊத்தமனில் அன்னை அலங்காரியே ஏமவூர் பலம் பெருக வந்த காளியம்மையே வணங்கி உம்மை தூதிகள் பாட வாழ்த்துவாய் நீயம்மையே ஏமவூர் வளம் பெருக மாவூர் வளம் பெருக வந்த காளி அம்மையே அம்மையே
Thank you all. Thank you so much for staying till the end and listening to this video presentation. And special thanks to Aditya Madhavan for singing for us. Thank you. Until the next time, Namaste.